Ma'am, the company which we created yesterday was not available, ma'am.
Why it is not available for you? Every time you are telling same thing.
Ma'am, I asked to
It
Kiran
should
sir,
be
ma'am.
there in the select company.
Ma'am, I asked to Kiran sir. He said that in education mode it is not available. Once you close the app, the all data will be erased. He said.
But how it is popular lightings is available?
Yes, ma'am. I am. Kiran sir said so, ma'am.
Huh?
I asked this question to Kiran sir. He replied me that in education mode, whatever you type, you have to print it. Then once you close the application, everything will be deleted. He said. It's like
I am doing the
Cinderella.
classes for other students also. Like somewhere the version that you have downloaded, maybe there is a problem in your version. Okay, so I am taking a classes from morning to even after your batch also I'm having a classes. Many students I'm teaching Tally. Many of them they are doing the same application only they are working. Like one day whatever we do it is there. Like say if they close it is not going anywhere. Even I'm doing a continuation classes only for everybody. Say if this is a problem, what happens like in all upcoming classes, every time you have to create a new company. For vouchers, if you create a new company, that is not a problem. You can create a new company for vouchers. You can create not at all a issue for you if you are creating a new company for vouchers. But the next topic is inventory. Inventory must should be continuation because every time you cannot start from the first process in the inventory. Okay, so that is
Ma'am,
really a time. You know,
ma'am,
right? Yeah.
exactly, ma'am. But I have not deleted any company here, ma'am. I just closed
Fine,
the
no
application.
problem. Like somewhere you can try to download the latest version or you can download the edit log at least. Okay.
Okay,
There is one more tally also that is a edit log. At least you try to download that one. Okay.
okay, ma'am. You send me
Because
the link, ma'am.
actually
I will
that is the case, all the companies should be removed or all the companies should be deleted. One company is available, the other company is not available actually.
ma'am, in this popular lighting also, I have entered some vouchers, ma'am, but those vouchers are not available. Okay, let me
Once
start.
you do one thing, just do one thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Go to a select company because other for other students, like say except your batch, all other
Ma'am,
students they will be having all the companies will be there. It will not go anywhere. It will not delete. 80%, 70 to 80%, whatever you do in the educational mode, it will be there. Okay, in
ma'am,
the silver mode or in the gold version. Say what Kiran sir is using the silver and gold. It is a added advantage. In this 90% you can do whatever you want. You can do 80 to 90% as per company pointer. You can do. Rest 20% is a additional configurations. That is a
ma'am.
add on additional configurations. Understand? Let me finish
Yes, ma'am.
first. Okay, additional configurations that where we can configure our own way. Okay, our own way we can configure. Those things are not available in the educational mode. That is available in the silver and golden version. Okay, so here
Okay, ma'am.
you can only enter for only one date. There you can enter date wise data. That's it. That is the only difference you have. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
you can open the Humanify Industries. It will be there. It will not go anywhere. Understood? No. So you have to go and check in the select company. It will be there. Okay. By miss, maybe like yesterday, I don't know like where it went. But if you go to a company, select all the companies, whatever you create, it will be available in the select company only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fine then. Because it's not only your batch I'm handling a tally. Since from morning 7:30, I'm handling more than 10 tally classes for a day. Okay, for every student it is available, but how come only for you it will not be there? That is my question.
Ma'am, yesterday it was not coming, ma'am, but today it's showing, ma'am.
Yesterday somewhere you might have changed the date or somewhere maybe the company may got deleted. Okay, fine, no issues. Go to your daybook and check all your entries. Whatever you have done, it is there. Payment. This is payment. Payment means the one which we have done. You know which date we have done this payment. Yesterday we did receipt. It's not payment.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Go to a select company again. You click on Humanify. All the companies are there. The one which you did the other day, payment, which you told it is not available. You know that also it is there. Go to a select company. Open the yesterday's one receipt. You can check. Two companies you have in the same name.
Yes, ma'am.
For you close any one company and you open. Because same name, no. You click popular lightings, double click on popular lightings. Now you open one more Humanify. All the companies are available here. From the day one, whatever you have done. Same name it is there, no, that is the reason it is not opening. Go to a shirt company.
Okay,
Go
ma'am.
to a shirt company. Shut your Humanify company. Now you go to a company option. Click on alter there. Alter. First you
Alter,
alter,
ma'am.
then it will open. Both name you have in a same names are there. Go to a
Yes, ma'am.
alter.
Here
Come
it's
back.
showing only two, ma'am.
Come back. Click on company. Click on change. Come back again. Okay, done. Again you click on the same company option. Now you open Humanify.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Receipt.
is yesterday's. The other
Yes, ma'am.
day you have practiced in the payment, that company is also available. The other day which we have done in the class payment Humanify, that also it is available. All the companies since from the day one it is there. It is not went anywhere. It will be available. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
There is no use, say, if the Tally version, if they are giving for educational purpose, today you are working after closing the application, if everything is deleted, then nobody will use this Tally version. Even for education purpose also, nobody will use. Understood, no?
Okay.
So
Okay,
there
ma'am.
is no point after closing, if everything is going means, then nobody will come and open this one. Okay. 80%, I'm telling you, right? 70 to 80% from the educational mode, whatever you learn, it is as same as in the silver mode also. It is completely given for the educational purpose only, where students
Okay.
can learn and practice and prepare themselves very well. Understood? No,
Okay.
80 to 80% it is as same like the silver or golden version of the tally. Understood? No. So if you
Ma'am.
ask me the difference, difference is nothing. In the educational mode, when it is coming to a GST returns or income tax or TDS returns, only configuration you can do, but actual returns you cannot do here. Okay, that one option is not given, and date wise you cannot maintain the data. That is the one, and you cannot configure as per your company point of view. if something is required for you, you want to create any new column or you want to create any new configuration. Say, apart from the default configurations that is given, you cannot create something new configuration for you. Say, for example, bill number. We have to put a bill number, but here we don't have a bill number, correct? And if I want to create a column for bill number, that those things we cannot do in the educational mode. Understood, no? So those things can be done in the silver or golden only. That is behind the course actually. So it is not included in the course. It is behind the course. So where if you are working with an auditor or anybody else, they will be guiding you according to the company point of view. What are all the configurations is required? Those configurations they will explain. That is not the part of the Tally curriculum. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear, no, everybody? And I
Yes.
want to know.
Ma'am, if it's a business purpose, then it will be get a date option also there, no, ma'am.
Yeah, date option. Here also you can do the date option. Every month, first date only it is accepted. Every
Yeah.
month. Not
Okay.
only April, you can do for June, July, August also, but every month it will accept only day one. First day only it will accept.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
That,
Thank you.
that is also we can do, but actual date wise we cannot enter. Say educational version is a free version which is available in the internet. You can download for free of cost and you can practice. Silver and gold, that is a cloud. Gold is nothing about a cloud based application. Okay, so sitting at home, you can access the other person who is working in a different system. That a Tally also you can access. He will be in a different place. The system is in a different place. But sitting in your home, you can access that system also. That data also you can take. Understood? No. That version of
Yes.
Tally is also available. And silver, actual date wise, it is maintained. So those are all paid versions. So those are all licensed version and paid version. Here about 20,000, 17,000, 18,000. So depending on your availability, they will be providing you the server access like how you want. One access will be costed near about 15 to 20,000. Understood? No. Gold means it will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
more than 20 to 30,000 for 1 year. Again, for that during for one financial year only, or 2 years or 3 years, the license will be given. After that, again you have to pay. Again you have to extend. All those are paid. This is a free version. So free version, how much they will give you? Understand? Only minimum availability only they will give you, just for students for learning purpose. They have made it free. Tally solutions, they have made it free for learning only. That learning up to 80% you can learn here. Understood? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine then. So my question is, how many of you have practiced till now? Company creation, ledgers creation, receipt and payment, whatever assignment I have sent in the group. How many of you have practiced till now?
Ma'am, I have practiced it.
Anyway, you're doing in a class only, so you don't have to answer for this question. How about others, except Latif? So raise your hands. How many of you are practicing perfectly till now?
I just did company creation. Others I need to do it.
Okay, you have a system at home, or you're going to an institution?
No, ma'am. Actually, I do it through laptop.
Okay, so if you have a laptop, why don't you join through laptop?
It's not available now, ma'am.
Sorry? Hello? So Hamad have joined through laptop today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can share your screen?
Sure, ma'am. I will share now.
Okay, fine. So Latif, Hamad will be sharing a screen for today. Let him get a chance for doing a work today. Okay, fine.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
Hamad, you also share the question as well as Tally screen both. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Now I will share it.
Contra entry we will do for today.
Okay.
Zoom, you are already opened. You close this one.
Okay.
Zoom is already there. Open the WhatsApp. Down, down. You come down. Scroll down.
This is lost.
This is lost. You have not received a message.
No, ma'am. I received it. You see here 728.
No, like I have sent you one image also just now.
Sorry, ma'am. I haven't received.
Okay. Just check. I have sent you once again. Not in the group. You can check in the individual also.
Okay. Wait, ma'am. I will check it.
Check in the charts.
Yes. No, here is also not available. See here.
No, no. You open the chart, scroll up. Charts, you scroll up. Here.
Okay, okay.
In the search, you just type 9030 number. Double 7.
No, he did not receive it.
Sorry, ma'am. I
Why?
haven't received any message, ma'am.
Why you are
I-
not receiving? Others, they are receiving, right?
Individual also I am checking. I mean, my mobile also I haven't received any message, ma'am.
Ma'am, in group it is not available. Ma'am.
Can you just confirm your number?
Yeah. 8176.
Okay. 1 minute. 8176.
Sorry, 8122.
That is what, no? I have sent for the same number only.
Yeah.
Just check.
I'm checking individual also, ma'am. I haven't.
8122760963 only, right?
965.
965.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yeah.
81.
22.
Okay, this is a contra voucher. So now you open a tally, the one company you have already created yesterday. So now I want to answer this question, the first question. I have sent you in the WhatsApp group also. See the questions and answer the first one.
Ma'am, this is I need to open it, ma'am. Even if I yesterday
Yeah.
we created.
Yeah, same company you open.
Yeah.
So the first question, so show them the question once again. Alt tab you do, it will open. Alt tab from the keyboard. Okay, so see the first question, cash received, say cash withdrawn from Canara Bank for office use. So cash withdrawn from Canara Bank. So what is the answer for this question? Who will answer this?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, cash account debit to Canara Bank account.
Cash account debit to Canara Bank account. Okay. So now go to a tally. Yeah, in the tally, go to vouchers. So in the vouchers, first you have to do the change mode. Go to change mode. I mean, you click on contra F4 shortcut key, contra. Right side you can see. Yeah. Now you click on change mode option.
From
Change
ma'am.
mode.
Change
Change
mode.
mode also, the right side only it will be there.
Wait, ma'am. First I will.
Click on double entry.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, 2, it is showing you 2, correct? 2 means
Yes, ma'am.
Canara Bank. So create from here,
Okay.
or you can press Alt C for creation. Yeah. Create Canara Bank under bank account.
Yeah.
Under, come to enter, select bank account there. Bank account.
Yeah, this one only now.
Bank account.
Okay.
First one.
Yeah.
Bank account.
Yeah.
Control A, you do accept.
Yeah.
Control A. Now you give an amount there. What is the amount? Give that amount.
15,000, ma'am.
Yes, give that amount.
Yeah.
Do enter. Yeah, to enter. Here we don't have any details, so it is not required to give all the details. So you
Okay.
can do enter.
This one Insta number.
Yes, again do enter. Instrument number is again check number.
Okay.
Now you give, like say you have to change there to for buy.
Okay.
Now you select a cash here. No, the second 2 only you have to change for buy.
Okay. Yeah.
To enter, select cash. Again to enter, you give a amount.
Yeah. How much I need to enter it, ma'am?
You see the question, no, how much is the amount? See the question, how much amount?
15,000. 15,000.
Yeah, I think here also 15 only you should enter. You have taken 5, no, there also 15 only.
Okay.
You change that amount also for 15. For that you use a backspace from the keyboard. Huh.
Okay, ma'am.
Rewrite the amount for 15. That's all. Do enter. Again enter. Again enter. Enter you do. Enter you do. That's all. Control A you do for accepting. That's it. Next question. What is the next question? So who will
Yeah.
answer this question? State Bank check given to Canara Bank. Who will answer this question?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, You can answer. See, others also should participate. If you just sit idle, there is no use. You people are not practicing also. You're not active in the class also.
Ma'am, is this bank account to bank account, ma'am?
Which bank account and which bank account? There is a
State
name.
bank.
Canara Bank account to State Bank
Yes,
account.
ma'am.
Canara Bank account to
Bank account.
State
Yes.
Bank.
So Canara Bank account debit to State Bank. Okay. So now Canara Bank is already there. Correct. Canara Bank account debit to State Bank. So open Tally. It is a to State Bank. So create Alt C from the keyboard. You have to create that account is not available.
Okay.
Alt C. Yeah. So click on Alt C. You type State Bank and take that State Bank under bank account only.
Here now I need to create Canara Bank. Right?
Yeah, you have to type State Bank.
Yeah.
Control A you do accept because it is already there. See here, give a amount.
10,000, ma'am.
Type 10,000.
10,000.
Enter. 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 So select Canara Bank. Again, that's it. Accept now. Control A, accept. Control A, accept.
Yeah.
That's it. Next question.
20,000.
20,000 Canara Bank check and cash deposited to State Bank. So what will be the journal entry for this one?
Canara Bank debit, ma'am. To cash account debit, then State Bank account.
No,
to State
just
Bank.
read the question once again. Canara
Ma'am,
Bank check.
20,000
and
is the
State
receipt.
Bank debit to Canara Bank and cash account, ma'am.
State Bank is receiving.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. State Bank debit to Canara Bank and cash account, ma'am.
exactly. So now you go. State Bank is already there. Canara Bank is already there. Cash also it is already there.
Yeah.
So take Canara Bank. Give the Canara Bank amount only. See the question once again. From Canara Bank, what amount you are getting? Give only that amount.
20,000 I'm
20,000.
getting.
Do enter. Do enter.
Control. Yeah.
Yeah.
Control.
Do
Okay.
Control A you do. Here change for 2. Buy you change it for 2.
Okay.
Do enter. Change the amount of cash.
Yes, we're getting 2,500.
Do enter. Select cash. Select cash. Give the amount for cash.
Yeah, it's already cash there right now. Now I
Yes.
need to enter the cash, right?
Yes. Do enter. Now you select. Do enter. Here you select State Bank. That's it. Accept.
Control here right now.
Yes. Next question you see. Cash deposited into Canara Bank. That means Canara Bank account debit to cash account. So Canara Bank debit 50,000 to cash account.
Yeah.
Okay. So go to Tally and enter the transaction there.
Now I need to enter in Canara Bank 50,000 right now.
First to cash account. 2, it is 2 now. So first you select credit item. Then you select debit item. 2, whatever is given there,
Cash
2 means you have to select credit. Buy means you have to select debit. Okay. So
Okay.
50,000.
I'm here showing negative cash minus 37,500.
Because we don't have a opening balance for this company. That is the reason.
Okay.
Okay, do enter. Do enter.
By is Canara Bank, right, ma'am?
Yes. Enter and accept. It is a deposit, no? You know, right?
Yeah.
When you're deposit any cash into a
Yeah.
bank, demonetize you have to do. So you have to enter all demonetization here. Correct. No need of entering. Do enter.
Okay.
Hmm.
This 25 I need to enter or not?
Not required. Do enter.
Okay.
Here and all it is acceptable. Do enter. Okay. Control A you do accept. Hmm. In the real time it will ask you, but here it is not required. Next. Next question you see. Here understand which bank is receiving and which bank is giving.
Karnataka Bank is receiving, ma'am. Canara Bank is giving.
Okay, so Karnataka Bank account debit to Canara Bank. So go to my tally. First it is a 2, right? So select 2 means Canara Bank.
Ma'am, what is this demand draft, ma'am?
DD,
Okay, ma'am.
a draft which where you can deposit the amount for some person, some third party person.
In Canara Bank, I need to enter 17,000, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes. It is a form of a check only, but DD will be given by the company to whom the amount wants to get deposited.
And 2, I need to create Karnataka Bank
Yes,
account, right?
yes. Do enter. Here you create Alt C. Karnataka Bank. Remember this group bank account is important. Okay.
Okay.
Here you have to select bank account only. Control A you do accept now. Yeah, do enter. Yeah, do enter. Enter. Yes.
Control A,
You
accept.
do accept. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Contra entry is done. So now yesterday's question we were discussing, correct? The receipt entry. In that you have 2 types of transactions. Can you open that question?
Yeah. Wait, ma'am, I will open it.
Just you have in the right side somewhere it will be there. I have sent the shortcut keys also for tally. You all can refer that shortcut keys.
Okay. Ma'am, this one, ma'am.
No, it's,
No, those
No.
are all
Scroll up,
yes,
scroll up.
his work.
Scroll up.
This is work. You can go up. Scroll up, scroll up. Up.
This is shortcut keys. Okay.
No, you're opening today's. Yesterday, it's not even yesterday, the day before yesterday class.
Yeah, I think it's Monday, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah,
here
here it
you
is.
have all the
This
entries.
one, right?
This
No, ma'am.
is already done. Next one.
In that only fourth one.
Yeah,
This one, ma'am.
not this one. Next one. Use your right arrow key. Yeah. Yes, that one.
Yes.
So here you have no deposit. You have here. Observe it. Okay. That is like Axis Bank you have and SBI you have. Scroll up a little bit. Yeah, Access Bank and deposit you have na. So now you take a Access Bank check deposited into SBI Bank. Give a check number. For Access Bank, you give a check number. Same amount 12,705 you enter. That
Okay.
means you are depositing the one. That means SBI Bank account is a depositing bank given by the Access.
Access.
SBI Bank account debit to Access Bank. Same way, SBI Bank account debit to ICICI Bank. BOI Bank account data to PNB. SBI Bank account data to SBI. Understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
In that case, yeah, you can do the entries you can do now. So first Access Bank you create. First
Okay.
transaction, SBI bank account debit to Axis Bank.
Ma'am, this Axis Bank account here is, it is an account of credit or
Party
ma'am?
account has given that, no, party account name you have already entered in the receipt. Okay. That party account who has given that check, you're depositing into your owner's bank account. Agarwal Medical Agency has given that amount, that check. Here you give a check number, instrument number.
Yeah.
Do enter. Here you type a instrument number. That means check number.
Yeah. 332011.
Here SBI. State Bank only you take, no
Yeah.
control A you do accept, that's all.
Yeah. Now next question, ma'am. This is
Yes,
correct.
control A you do accept.
Yeah, I
Next
did it.
one. Next one. ICICI Bank debitor. I mean ICICI Bank is given, giver bank. SBI is depositing.
Depository.
Yes,
Yeah.
same way. ICICI Bank account is credit, SBI is debit.
Okay.
That means to ICICI you should create by SBI.
Yeah.
Yeah. So to ICICI you have to create.
This is ICICI, ma'am. Now I need to create a voucher, right?
Yes. Yes. What is the entry? SBI bank account debit to ICICI.
ICICI.
It is to know you are entering. You are entering to correct, no credit
Yeah.
entry. So you create ICICI there. To means credit, buy means debit. Okay.
Yeah.
Control A you do and give a credit column amount. So everyone are able to understand, right, how these entries are getting. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Do enter. Do enter. Now it will ask a buy. Buy means depositing bank. That is SBI bank you have to take. Okay. Do
Okay.
enter. And if there is a check number, you give a check number. Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this Axis Bank and ICICI Bank account, which party's check is, it is not mentioned here, ma'am?
Whose party check is not mentioned? See the party name.
Ma'am, it's Ankit Software,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Huh?
Ankit Software, I think.
That is a, he is given that check, no? It is
Ma'am, I
clear.
need to enter here check number, ma'am.
Yes, you enter the check number. So Latif, you tell me what is your confusion here?
Nothing, ma'am. Just I just wanted to know Ankit Software, who gave this check, ma'am? Ankit Software gave. Ankit Software, we are not mentioning about.
Why you will mention here? It is a contra entry. No, why you want to mention here? If at all you want to mention, you can mention in the narration. That is the reason you have already entered those entries in the receipt voucher yesterday.
Okay, ma'am.
Only that is the reason, no. Contra entry is only depositing and receiving. Whatever checks you are getting, you are depositing there. And who has given that check, that entries you will be taking under the receipt.
Okay, ma'am.
That is only the reason we have entered the receipts yesterday, because who has given that check, that record should be there. That is why you have entered those things in the receipt. And there is a deposit column also given here, means That means the check you're depositing into certain bank means you have to maintain that record in the contra, because depositing and withdrawing will be taken under contra only. In the contra, no party accounts will come. Only deposits you have to take, whether it is a cash deposit or check deposit. Only that you have to enter here.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
simply when it's receipt, then only we need to enter party name, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Whenever it's contra, then we need to enter deposit amount and check
It will
number,
take
right?
only cash and bank only. Other names it will not take here. If you want, you can try. It will show you error actually.
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
that is, ma'am, if it's contra, then we need to enter bank name and amount and check
Yes,
number, right?
yes, exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay then. So just
Ma'am,
accept.
ma'am, here I need to enter check number.
Yes, you enter.
Okay.
So do I enter?
Yeah, it's SBI, right, ma'am?
Hmm. Accept.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, done. So now you have say show the question. It is a cash deposit. Next is a cash deposit. That means cash account debit, that is like a cash deposit. They have mentioned cash and it is for SBI only you're depositing.
Okay.
Okay. So you can take as a cash account debit to
To
SBI bank.
SBI account.
Yeah. Okay. Same way it will come. Understood? No. Bank name PNB to BOI bank. Like that.
Okay. Now I need to
Ev-
create cash data to SBI data, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Same thing. Okay. There is no any difference. Same way you will be doing it. Okay.
Okay.
Fine then.
Instead
Next.
of check number, we need to enter cash, right?
Yeah. You have instead of writing this is like SBI bank account debit to cash account.
Yeah.
Okay, done. So now you go for next question. We will move on to the next question.
Yeah, Bharti Medical Store.
Not this one. This transactions is done.
Okay.
Next voucher we will do. Journal voucher.
I need to open Tally, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, I mean in the questions only. You see in the questions only there is one more question I have sent.
Go on.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, the definition of contra entry is recorded when debit and credit affect the same parent account.
You can enter same names, it will come. I mean, you are asking SBI, correct?
No, ma'am. Same parent company. If the company has two accounts, three accounts, if we transfer one account from transaction of money from one bank to another bank, which the parent company is same. Like I have Bank of India account. I am the owner. I am having my business account at Bank of India, SBI, and all. This parent company is same, ma'am.
Anything you can enter here only. Okay, SBI to SBI, same. You are entering for your company only. You are not entering in any different companies. Whatever transactions you are doing, it will all the transactions will come to your company only. Understood? No. So any fund it is transferred from one bank to another bank. Also, you will enter here only. While creating a bank account, you're only giving a responsible person name, that holder name, account holder name you are giving, account number you are giving, and IFSC code you are giving. So everything you are mentioning at the time of creating a bank account. Understood? No. So here what happens, like it will be respectively taken for your company transactions only. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Sitting your like you're opening your company means, say it is a creditor or it is a debitor, you're entering for your company only. It is any fund you're depositing means you're entering for your company only. Understood? No?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, you open the next question only, you change. Come down, come down. Today's question you open. Come down, come down.
This is lost, ma'am. There is no any other message.
Okay, anyhow, you can take it. Okay.
Which one, ma'am? This one.
Journal you take.
Journalist, ma'am. Now we did same questions, ma'am. Ma'am, which one you are telling?
There only you have fourth one. The same part you have a fourth one. Open that.
Okay.
So Latif, I will give you one suggestion for you. If you
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
mind, let me give you one suggestion if you don't mind.
Okay,
Come down and open today's question, Hamad.
Today's question. Okay.
Today's question you open. Until you learn something, you don't go and search all over the social media. Understood? No. Whatever
Okay,
you are
ma'am.
learning, first you focus on learning. That means if you are attending a classes, understand what the trainers are explaining to you first. It may be
Okay.
myself, or it may be Kiran's, or it may be any classes you are attending, any courses you are doing. First you learn what trainers are explaining to you. Focus on what trainers are giving a notes. That notes only you focus. After
Okay,
learning everything, then you search in the WhatsApp, search in the Google, then you search the YouTube for more learning.
okay,
And
ma'am.
for more learning, if you don't mind, I'm giving you this suggestion because if you go and search the YouTubes before we explain, if you try to learn, say before we explain, you are trying to learn, it is a good activity. I'm not
Yes, ma'am.
pointing you in that way. Okay, so you want to learn fast, you are learning all over the way, you want to learn, you can learn, but you know there is certain stage of learning. Okay, you have to cross all the stages. First,
Okay,
basic. That means trainers, whatever they explain you is a basic thing. Okay, what
okay,
myself, Kiran sir, or anybody, it may be, it's not only Tally, you learn any course. Okay, see,
ma'am.
Tally is a very basic course actually. Apart from
I'm
Tally,
sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
also many other things are there. Many huge courses are there. Okay, so what happens? Tally is a very, very simple and very basic step for you all. And to be frank, most of the IT companies, they are not using Tally now. Most of the IT companies are ruled out with the Tally. Only some auditing officers, some small startup companies, or some small scale business industries only they are using Tally. Okay, IT companies, MNC companies, and all, no, they are not using Tally. Most of them they have upgraded themselves. They are using a SAP. I don't know how many of you know about SAP. Most of the IT companies are using SAP. SAP is a very huge software actually. Okay, it is very advanced than a Tally. Say, don't mind why I am telling you like this. When you are
No, no, ma'am.
attending the classes, means you have to first focus what trainers are explaining. Understood? No, what trainers
ma'am.
are giving, that you focus first, that you learn first. After 1 month, after the course is entire course is done, then you search for the things more learning, for more and more learning. Then you go and search for YouTube videos, or you search all over in the social media. If you
Okay,
do
ma'am.
now, what happens? You cannot concentrate both the way. You will get so many questions, so many confusions will be there, so many questions will be there in your mind. If we are trying to explain you also, your mind will be completely diverted in other way.
No,
Understood?
ma'am.
No?
I will
Maybe
concentrate
you
on
might
your
have
class, ma'am.
already experienced.
Ma'am.
Okay, so don't mind, just it is my suggestion I'm giving you. Okay.
Ma'am, I will accept your suggestion, ma'am.
Yeah, why? Because now if you do now, say what happens when we are going for a college, say we are going to a college, when we are joining for a college, whatever lecturers are teaching, that we will learn, correct? After
ma'am.
that lessons are completed, then we will go to a library, we will search for all question banks, everything to prepare for exam, correct? No, whatever lecturers are explaining, if it is not sufficient for us, and if those assignments are not sufficient for us, then we will go to a library or we will buy the question bank and we will learn all the question banks and we will prepare ourselves for the exam. That means what? That means what? You're learning a course. After the course, if this is not sufficient for you for the interview purpose, means you will go and search all over all the types of YouTube videos or all the type of websites. You will search for more and more knowledge purpose for the
Okay, ma'am.
job. Understood? No.
Yes,
While
ma'am.
lecturer is explaining to you in the class, if you search for like say videos or if you search for the source, then what happens? Both the way you will fail. Say you will not understand what lecturer is explaining, or you will not understand what websites are telling for you. Understood?
Okay,
No?
ma'am.
That is the reason I'm telling you. First focus in one way, then you learn in multiple way. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Then so the next voucher is a journal voucher. So journal voucher means it is a adjustment voucher. It is called as a adjustment voucher. When we have a transactions like appreciation or depreciation, transactions like appreciation or transactions like depreciation, when we have or any funds transferred from a company to company, not from bank to bank, company to company, if there is any funds it is transferred, all the things you will be taking under journal voucher. I'll repeat, depreciation and appreciation. So depreciation means it is decreasing the value of the asset. Okay, so when you purchase any asset, say I have purchased a machinery, that machinery value is for 10 years. So I have purchased a machinery where that machinery value is for 10 years. So after purchase of the machinery, say after 2 years of purchasing a machinery, then what will be the value of that machinery? After 2 years of machinery purchase, then what will be the value of that machinery?
Ma'am, the yearly depreciation will apply to it. After 2 years, we have to multiply it by 2 for 2 years.
No, no,
We
no.
have
My
to-
question is, you have purchased a machinery worth value is for 10 years.
Okay, ma'am.
After 2 years, what will be the value of that machinery?
We have to calculate
It
the
will depreciate
depreciation
its value.
It decreased the value. How many years is left out?
8 years,
Eight.
ma'am.
8 years are left out. After 5 years, 5 years is left out. After 4 years means 6 years is left out. That means what? You're purchasing a machinery for 10 years. After 2 years, if you calculate on that machinery, so the value of that machinery 2 years is reduced. Okay, remaining only 8 years is left out. Okay, so every year the machinery value will get decreased by itself. Why? Because new machinery will give you more production. Old machinery will give you the
Less
value.
product.
It reduces the value. Understood? No.
Yeah.
So we
Yes, ma'am.
have to show that one as a depreciation there. That means it is a expenses. Okay, so the value of the machinery, when we are calculating a financial statements, we will show this depreciation values also. Why? Because if there is any small problem occurred in that machinery, we have to get resolved by doing a repair work. So for that also we have to spend that amount. So how you will do? So those things and all comes under the expenses only. Okay, so the decreased value of that machinery is more and more important. Why? Because after 10 years, the machinery will not work. After 10 years, again you have to purchase a new machinery. You have to sell this old machinery and you have to purchase a new machinery. So what happens? Sale of asset. It is not machinery. It is called as a sale of asset. You may get a profit or you may get a loss there. Okay, so it will be like a sale of asset. Suppose in during this 10 years of the time period, if machinery is not working, so that what you will do, you will acquire that machinery. That means like scrap value. Scrap value means what? Within the organization only, you will not use that machinery, but within the organization, you will move that machinery to other place where you will not be able to use that machinery hereafter. Scrapping a value of the asset. Okay, so selling a asset without customer. That means without, you're not going to sell to any customer, but you're moving a asset within an organization from one location to another location. Understood? No, you have many things actually. So those all the kinds of transactions will come under the journal. In that, the main thing is depreciation. Okay, so in the accounts terms, you have to understand this depreciation. You have to understand the appreciation of the value. Appreciation will not come. It is a very rare transaction. Depreciation only it will be there. Okay, and you will have this one called sale of asset for loss or sale of asset for profit. Okay, and scrapping the value of the asset and a sale of asset without customer. So all these are the terms that comes under the accounting principles actually. And these things and all you will study in your degree. When you enter into a degree, maybe in your second PUC or in the first year or second year of your degree, all these terms it will come. If you are basically from commerce background, you might have learned all these things. Okay, and from the beginning of the tally, I'm telling you that whoever the commerce background students are there, to share your knowledge to non-commerce background. So those things will happen only if you interact. So you are not ready to interact means you won't learn more. Okay, whatever I'm explaining, only that you have to listen. Only you have to focus on that only. Okay, sharing your knowledge is important. That means like not searching in a Google. Sharing a knowledge means you have to interact. Whatever you know, you have to share to your friends. That interaction is important in every class. Okay, understood? No? Fine then. Journal entry, we will finish it off. Okay. Now you go and open journal entry. Journal entry, click on journal entry. F7.
Yeah.
Right side you can see. Yeah. So here depreciation. So create Alt C. Depreciation is the expenses. You take under expenses. Do enter indirect expenses. Control A you do accept. Amount you give total 2,300 you give. Do enter. Do enter. Control Alt C create a furniture account under fixed asset. Alt C. Take furniture and you take under fixed asset. Okay, depreciation account will be debit to furniture account. Yeah. Control A you do accept. Here you type 2,000.
Yeah, 2000.
2,000 you can type here. Yeah, do enter. To machinery. Depreciation account will be debit to furniture to machinery. Alt C you do create machinery under fixed asset only. Control A you do accept. Yeah, like this it will come. This is a adjustment. Okay, if you remember, you have two things, profit and loss account and a balance sheet. correct? In the profit and loss account, depreciation will be shown. 2300 total depreciation amount. Only depreciation amount, total 2300 will be taken under the profit and loss account. Okay.
And whenever we are enter depreciation, it will be
Hmm.
get automatically difference amount. It will show, right?
Yes, it will show you. Okay. Depreciation will be taken under two places. One is in the profit and loss account. Other place is a balance sheet. In the profit and loss account, only depreciation 2300 it will show. In the balance sheet, this amount is reduced in the furniture and machinery value. So for what value you have purchased your furniture, for that value, that amount will be reduced. Those things we will discuss clearly, because still we have not entered for profit and loss account or balance sheet, correct? So once we do all the entries, once we check profit and loss account and balance sheet, there you will understand clearly. Okay, okay, you can accept now. Control A. So till here journal voucher is done. Now you go to other voucher. Other voucher, click on
Yeah.
other vouchers.
Yeah.
Here you take debit note voucher. Debit note. Here you have to, okay, anyhow, click on change mode option, and change mode you do. Click for, click on change mode. Yeah, you can click on as voucher. Yeah, this will give you debit and credit. Credit note means sales returns and purchase returns. Credit note is a sales return. Okay, so entry will be like show the question. In the question you have that actually. See the last question here.
7,000
Sold
worth of
foods
gold.
returned back from Anita Industry. So here sales returns account will be debited to Anita Industry. Okay, so now you go to a tally and take to Anita Industry. That means you have to create a to Anita Industry. So create Anita Industry under credit.
I'm under
Credit side, no credit
credit.
place.
Okay.
Yeah, sundry creditor.
Yeah.
Accept now and give some amount, any amount. Control A you do accept.
Yeah.
Okay, again you do control A. Give some 2000.
Okay.
Do enter. Do enter on account. Do enter. Here you take create sales account, sales returns under sales account. That's all. Control A you do accept. Control A you do accept. That's it. Like this you should pass your entry for sales returns.
Okay.
Okay. Same way debit note will come. Control A you do accept.
No, it will get a same amount only, ma'am. 2,000, 2,000 only.
By default it will come. No, debit entry, credit entry, same amount only, right?
Okay.
Now you go to other voucher, open debit note voucher. So far we have completed all the types of the vouchers. Okay.
Yeah.
Next class is a challenging class for you. Okay. That means like we are going to create a profit and loss account, balance sheet statement. Okay. We are going to create everything. Okay. So click on debit note.
Okay.
Debit note. So debit note, again go to change mode and click as voucher. I will send you the questions. I will send you the answers also for next tomorrow's class. Okay. Fine then. Here You have to take as a, like, say, 1 minute. Buy is like, go to a question and see what is the question. For purchase return, what you have the question?
Just return back to Anita Industry.
No, purchase return to Akash and company due to delivery, late in delivery. That means it is a purchase return entry, correct? So here Akash and company account will be debit to purchase return. So go to a tally, create Akash and company under sundry debitor.
And now you are telling fifth question, right?
Second or third question. Fifth question is only one we have done, no? Fifth question is
fourth
not
bit.
the purchase return. Fourth one.
Okay.
That is a journal. Company to company fund transfer means it comes under journal ledger.
Okay. Now I need to create Akash and Co, right?
Yes, Akash and Co. Fourth question. See the fourth question. Akash and Co. account data are under sundry debitor.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Give the amount. You can give any
Then it's
amount like
12,000.
12,000. Yeah. Now do enter. Do enter. Do enter. Yeah. Here you have to create a purchase return under purchase account.
No, under?
Purchase return, no? Purchase return. Purchase return means purchase account only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I created it.
That's it. Accept. Control A. That's all the types of the vouchers is done so far. Okay. I will be sending you the questions. So if possible, how much ever it is possible, you all can try to do that maximum. Tomorrow's class, we will do the corrections of all the questions.
I mean,
Okay.
the same way only we need to do now.
Same way only you have to do. But you create a new company. New company means it is a company name you have to take as a assignment 1.
Okay.
Company name. Yourself or Latif also, if you are creating a company means you take company name as a assignment 1. In that assignment 1, I have taken say 4 problems I have given. 4 different types of transactions I have given. All these 4 transactions, same company you should enter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
All the 4 same company you enter. After that, just once you can come back, no, tally screen. Open the tally screen, come back once.
Yeah.
Come back once. Back means you can press escape key from your keyboard.
Yeah.
Come back, come back. Yes. Yeah, here you go to profit and loss account. Yeah, you take a screenshot of this one and send me. Okay. Again, come back, go to balance sheet, take a screenshot and send me. I mean, not now. This one is not required. The one
Okay.
assignment I have sent you, na, that
Okay.
assignment is required. Okay. So
Okay.
the assignment, whatever assignment you are doing, that assignment is required. Okay. You have
Okay.
to create a new company, assignment 1. In that company, all the 4 transactions you do. After doing, go to profit and loss account, take a screenshot and send me. Okay. And also balance sheet screenshot also you send me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
We
no?
need to send
Yeah.
this one screenshot. And apart from this,
Balance sheet.
balance sheet means
Yes. Balance sheet, the above one. just about to your profit and loss account.
Is this one right?
Yes, this one screenshot also it is required. Okay,
Screenshot we need
clear
to see.
no? Yeah, I mean that assignment problems, for that assignment problems. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine then. That's all for today's class. Okay, we will connect tomorrow.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.